Cost of CreditSaint credit education is a valuable resource for individuals seeking to improve their financial literacy and manage their debt effectively. The program provides a comprehensive guide to understanding credit and its associated costs. First, it is essential to understand what credit is and how it works. Credit allows individuals to borrow money from lenders with the promise of paying it back. Usually with interest. The cost of credit refers to the total amount paid for borrowing, including interest rates, fees, and other charges. To calculate the cost of credit, individuals need to consider the annual percentage rate, or APR, which reflects the total cost of borrowing, including interest and fees. For example, if an individual has a credit card with an APR of 18% and a balance of $1,000, they will pay $180 in interest per year, assuming the balance remains unchanged. CreditSaint credit education emphasizes the importance of reading and understanding credit agreements before signing. These agreements often include terms and conditions that can significantly impact the cost of credit. Individuals should look for information on interest rates, fees, repayment terms, and any penalties for late payments. Best practices for managing credit include making timely payments, keeping credit utilization ratios low, and monitoring credit reports regularly. By following these practices, individuals can reduce their cost of credit and maintain a healthy credit score. In conclusion, CreditSaint credit education provides individuals with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate the complex world of credit and make informed financial decisions. By understanding the cost of credit and managing debt effectively, individuals can achieve financial stability and security.